Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to create this type of cinematic trailer animation inside After Effects without using any third-party plugin. You can use it with logo or any text. Before we jump in, please hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content. So let's get started. You can download the project file link in description box below. First create a new composition and name it to text.com 1920 by 1080. Write some text. Use any font whatever you want. Adjust the size and alignment of the text. Now create another comp and name it to effect comp. Take a new solid by pressing Ctrl Y and set the color black. Go to the effect and preset. Apply fractal noise effect on it. The contrast to 600 and animate the brightness. At starting -200 and after 1 second change it to 200. Now apply curves adjustment on it and change the angle just like so. Create one more comp and name it to text. Now drag our text edit and effect comp. Set the text edit to low matte. Here you can see nice revealing animation. Create another comp and this time name it to stroke. Now drag our text comp and effects comp on it. Set the text to Luma Matte. Go to the effect and preset. Apply find edges on effect comp and set it to invert. Now select our text comp and apply tint effect on it. Change the color according to your choice. I am selecting the red color. So here you can see effect on text. Creating a texture comp. Now drag our text comp on it. Also drag our texture on top. Set the text to Luma Matte. Now apply curves on texture layer and adjust the angle. Create a render comp and this is final comp. Drag our texture comp first and stroke comp on top. Now drag our fog layer on it. Adjust the scale and set the opacity to 50%. Also drag our particle layer, adjust the size and position, set the blending option to screen. Another overlay and this time fire overlay. Set the size and position and change the blending option to screen. Also change the opacity to 50%. It's up to you. You can play around any value. Adjust the layer position. Now right click on layer and select time stretch and change the time factor to 50%. Create a new null object. Convert into 3D. Parent all layer to null object. Select null object and hit P for position. Click the stopwatch at starting. Set the keyframe to 3000 and after 1 second change it to 100. Now select the keyframe and ease them. Open graph editor and set the graph something like that. There is a nice trailer animation. You can use it with text or any logo. Also apply some wiggle. Set the value between 5 to 3. So our epic trailer animation is ready. Hope you like the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Follow for more informative content. Thanks for watching.